Hey guys, it's Marco here at Fully Loaded Cars and welcome back to our Lotus Avon restoration series. So in this video you're going to see us tackle the front and rear chassis legs. So this is one of the better front chassis legs that we've seen. We didn't have to replace this one. Just needed repairing. We've taken this section off and that's been repaired and put back. Unfortunately this one we had to make a new chassis leg. We managed to save that section there. All the rest of the leg has been replaced. Inner support, this bracket here, this bracket here. So we've completely made this chassis leg exact copy. There is jack and boxes available, but we've had a couple in the past and we've just basically put it in the scrap pile. So we make our own jack and boxes, and they're reinforced. They're made with a higher gauge steel, and there's a reinforcement bracket inside the actual box. So when you lift up the car, it actually lifts up the car and doesn't damage the jack and box. The ones that are available out there, you jack them up once and it just crushes them. So we make our own jack in boxes. We just got to finish off the rear ones. We already started to bend them into shape, and we'll just need to put all the curves in it and measure up for the mounting brackets, spring mounts and bump stops. We've already got them made. Brackets for the suspension, jack in box and suspension mounts, they're completely shot. We've got a piece cut out here already, we just need to bend it. Yeah, so every component on the rear chassis legs, unfortunately, we're going to have to make. We're hoping that we can get them done in about a week and a half. And then once the rear chassis legs are done, and then we can weld them back into the car, and we'll have a solid floor to start building the rest of it off. So I hope you enjoy the video coming up, and if you do, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button and share so other people can watch it and like it as well, and we'll catch you in the next one.